Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel Study Studio. Now we are going to start the questions of 2019 past paper of criticism. First question is there: enumerate the essential qualities of a good critic. According to Eliot, a good critic is the one who remains completely impartial, objective, and unprejudiced in his approach. He has a highly trained sensibility as well as has a knowledge of structural principles. Second question: define tradition in the light of Eliot's essay Tradition and Individual Talent. According to Eliot, tradition is the living of the present formulated by the incidents of the past and history. Third question है: what is the role of a reader in reading the text as suggested by Belzi? According to Belzi, the role of a reader is to interpret the text based on his experiences and intellectual skills. So far, this theory has been rejected because not everyone has enough intellectual power to meet the requirements of a text to be interpreted. Fourth one, define expressive realism as per Belzi. According to Belzi, expressive realism is a reader's own version of realism experienced by his or her own imaginary senses while reading a text. Fifth one, what is the role of the poet's mind in the creative process? The role of a poet's mind is to compose a poem without the indulgence of the poetic personality, much like the role of a catalyst in a chemical reaction. What kind of understanding about poetry was felt in Sydney's time? Under the influence of Stephen Gosson, poetry was considered to be a mother of all lies and a nurse of abuse. List out the difference between tragedy and epic poetry as given in Poetics. Aristotle mostly considers epic and tragedy the same, as both depict heroic deeds in elevated manner, and both the heroes of epic and tragedy suffer. The key difference between the two is epic showcases incidents through the means of language while a tragedy is exhibited through actions. How does Aristotle describe plot as a whole? Aristotle considers plot as a whole because, according to him, plot carries all the necessary bits to display a proper sequence of incidents in a tragedy. Ninth one, define poetry as per Philip Sidney's view. सिडनी डिफाइन करते हैं पोइट्री को इस तरह से कि पोइट्री इज एन आर्ट ऑफ इमिटेशन, a representing, counterfeiting or figuring forth, to speak metaphorically, a speaking picture with this end to teach and delight. What does the term hamartia mean? Hamartia, a term in tragedy, means a flaw in the hero of a tragedy which leads to his downfall. So viewers, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you may have all the informative lectures. Thank you.